Hi, my name is Jesse Morten. I am a technician here at Kendall, Volkswagen of Bend. Born up in Alaska, been all over the US, over in Europe. Been here in Central Oregon since my freshman year of high school in 2003. I've been working with Kendall for about 3.5 years now. Started in the express department at Toyota. Worked my way up and I am now here as a technician. The atmosphere is phenomenal. I've never been with a company that's as fun to work for as Kendall. Everyone is very nice, very supportive of everyone else's goals. This is an ever-changing industry. There's always something to learn. Plan on honing my skills and becoming a master technician.
Kendall, let's start something great.